Hello, children. How are you all? Hope all are safe, and I hope everyone is thorough in addition, right? In our last class, we have seen the basic addition and its properties. That is, addition means putting things together. What if we need to add bigger numbers? Can we learn now? See here the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the next number is 10. That is, 10 is a double digit number. Let us learn what exactly 10 means. There are 9 blocks here and one more block make 10. Number 10 is the first and smallest two-digit number. In a two-digit number, the digit on the right is written on one's digit column, while the digit on the left is written on the tens digit column. We call this as 10 ones or 110 0 ones. Let me explain you with an example. Here we have ice cream sticks, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and if we add one more, it becomes 10. That is, all together we will call this as 110. That is, one bundle is 10. This is 110. If I add 110 and one more, it is 11. And if I add another one, 110 plus 2 gives you 12. And if I add one more, 110 plus 3 gives you 13. And 110 plus 4 gives you 14, and so on. Children, are you all ready to work out some problems? Take a pencil and a paper. We'll do the sums now. Okay, the first question is 110 plus 5. What is the answer? Can you guess? The answer is 110 plus 5 is 15. 1 5. The second question is 110 plus 8. What is the answer, children? Count the ice cream sticks and write the answer. It's 18. 110 plus 8 is 18. Very good. Here I've given you a 10 grid mat. That is, the question is 110 plus 3 equal to dash. So 110 plus 3, what is the answer, children? It is 13. 1 and 3, 13. Very good. We'll see the next question. The next question is 110 plus 7. So count it. Already it's given there everything. 110 plus 7, it's 17. 1 7 17. Here I'm going to show you an example with vegetables. See here, how many tomatoes are here? Shall we count, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 tomatoes. And how many potatoes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 potatoes. So we are going to add 8 plus 4. So as I already told you, we are going to make a group of 10. So here there are 8 tomatoes. We are going to make it as group of 10. So 9 and 10. So I've taken the potatoes on top. So we have 10 here. So 10 plus 2 gives you 12. That is 8 plus 4. The answer is 12. Shall we see one more example, children? Here I have 6 blue balls and 5 orange balls. So what is the first step we are going to do it? So first you are going to make a group of 10. So here it is 6. So 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is a group of 10. So 10 plus 1, it's 11. That is 6 plus 5 gives you 11. What is the first question, children? It's 8 plus 3. So first number is 8. I'm going to draw circles. You can draw whatever you want. So draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the second number? It's 3. 1, 2, 3. For the first step, we have to make a group of 10. So here we have 8, 9 and 10. So draw a circle like this. So it is group of 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. That is 8 plus 3 gives you 11. Now see the second sum. What is the question here? It is 7 plus 6. So 7, again I am going to draw 7 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? Here we have 6. So draw 6 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, what we are going to do, children? We have to make a group of 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many stars you are going to add? 3, 8, 9, 10. So this one forms a group of 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 plus 6 is 13. Children, I would like to end this video with a question. I have given here, see there, 110 plus 110. What is the answer? Find it out. We'll discuss the answer in the next class. Try to do that one. Hope everyone understood the concept addition by making group of 10. Catch you all in next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.